What's treading tire review subscribers? I'm Kevin Linger, contributing editor trackside at Formula E Miami. Now the action is going to kick off very soon, but before then, I have a question that needs answered. Can I drive the car?
Go for it. Go for it.
All right.
I'd say in about 2 hours' time, you might either get given the keys or they'll say, no, I'll keep them.
No way. No way, really? I was thinking you were just going to say no, I was going to have a funny joke, and we're going to get into the meat of what's happening, but really? All right, I'm going to hold you to that. That's your poor decision, not mine.
This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Before I wreck a very expensive car, I think we should get back to work and talk about the technology that's on display here today. I'm talking to engineers from Hankook about the tires themselves and the TPMS that's inside them that's communicating with everyone involved in this race and organizers and their home team to keep the track safe and speedy.
Once the racing starts, it's easy to focus on speed and spectacle. But here in Formula E, the tire itself is under just as much pressure as the car around it. Hankook's Ion Race tire has now been part of Formula E for 4 seasons. Rob Williams, president of Hankook Tire North America, said the racing program is where Hankook's EV tire strategy really took shape.
Our Ion, our EV tire, actually is kind of a concept that came from our Ion Race tire. So we're in our 4th year on the EV circuit.
As electric vehicles became more common beyond the racetrack, Hankook started to see just how different their demands were compared to ICE vehicles.
The fact that those vehicles have a tremendous amount of torque, and they take off the weight of these vehicles, really just tearing the tires apart.
That level of wear was not acceptable, so Hankook focused on EV-specific development rather than adapting other tires.
We wanted to create a tire that we knew would be suited for an electric vehicle, whether it be better rolling resistance for longer battery life.
That EV-first thinking stayed within the Ion lineup and carried directly into Formula E, where one tire has to do everything. As Hankook's chief motorsport engineer Thomas Baltz explained, there's no switching tires for rain or shine.
We had to find a compromise because we have no slick tire and wet tire. So therefore we had to find the best performance under dry and also wet conditions.
And that compromise mattered in this year's Miami race. Cooler temperatures and rain added another layer of challenge.
Like we see now today, we have cold conditions compared to the days before. So the teams, they have to react, they have to find the best setup, the best settings also coming for the pressures.
Now, monitoring pressure is where another layer of technology comes into play. Inside each Hankook Ion Race tire is a TPMS system developed specifically for Formula E.
This is something completely new developed. We did it together with the Texas guys. It's different to the standard sensor, which from your passenger cars and so on.
This sensor is mounted at the valve stem, but it doesn't just take a single reading.
We are able to make measurements, temperature measurement, inside of the tires, up to 15 different positions. This is unique. Until now, never was existing like this. And this sensor we are using in the whole championship, in all cars.
Beyond pressure and temperature, every tire is also tracked digitally. RFID technology links each tire to its sensor and to a specific car. That information, along with TPMS data, allows FIA officials to monitor allocation, usage, and compliance throughout the event.
Also for FIA, it's something really special because they are able to get all data in one. If we are checking the minimum pressure, for example, they get it real life if the car is going out of the garage.
For Hankook, Formula E is about learning under pressure, reacting in real time, and making sure the proof meets the pudding.
For sure, at the end, the main connection from the data, this is most important for us. And then seeing we have any issues, we have to react concerning the performance.
That's allowed us to really talk about how well our product can perform on the most extreme cases, being the Formula E race vehicles. So therefore, we know we've really given them the true test.
I really want to thank Hankook for having us out for the race. While Jaguar's Mitch Evans was busy winning, I was busy absolutely wrecking an eSIM version of the car. Even there, the Hankook Ion race tire was part of the virtual experience, though I don't blame it for my poor performance.
Although Jaguar said I could drive their car after the race was over, those pesky FIA safety regulations really didn't let that happen. Oh well, it was still a cool time to see everything going on at the track, on the cars, in the tires, and in the E-Motion Club. I want to thank you guys for coming on the ride with me, and we'll see you next time on an upcoming episode of What's Treading.